Hey there everybody, your old pal Jonathan Baker here, and welcome to hashtag 157. I'm your host Jonathan, and welcome to today's episodes of the vlog series. Well guys, as you may know, today I'm going to show you guys how to change out a battery out of a smoke detector. So anyway guys, might want to take notes if you are having trouble changing out batteries of a smoke detector. So here is your smoke detector. You know that there is a button right there. That button right there, it says push and hold to test weekly. Hold to silence. So anyway guys, what you're going to do is you're going to twist this until it releases, just like that. Anyway guys, there is a battery compartment and there is wires too. So anyway guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up my battery compartment and also get the battery out. So anyway, I might need to set my phone somewhere while I work on the battery compartment. I don't know if it'll work like that. Really not sure. But anyway guys, hold on. Guess setting it right here is a good idea. You know what? I got a good idea. I'm gonna go ahead and set it right here. That way you guys can see me working on the smoke detector. Now, the thing that you need is you need a step stool ladder. It may look like this, and also your batteries that you need for your smoke detectors. Now when working on a smoke detector, you want to make sure you're close to the detector, as close as possible. Now switching out batteries, you want to make sure that the battery compartment is open and it is ready to switch out your battery. So this one right here, as you may know, this is the old battery that I am replacing. As you may know, you can hear that noise. When you hear that noise, it means you need a new battery. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put a new battery in my smoke detector. That way, I won't have to hear those noises. Now getting it in there, you don't want to force it in there. You slightly want to take it in and do it exactly like that. Now getting your thing back in there, you slightly ease it and it is good to go. The smoke detector battery has been changed. And that was 2 smoke detectors I have changed. When you're done with the smoke detector, you want to make sure that your chair, I don't know how you do this, but there is a latch-on button that you can easily push down to latch up your ladder. So anyway, I don't know how you do this, but it is a tough little ladder. I know this is a fold up ladder. Oh, so let me guess. I have to push this in order for the ladder to go down. okay. I don't know. But anyway, I'll just let my dad deal with it because it's not even doing anything when I'm pushing that button. But anyway, this is the old battery that just came out of my smoke detector. Now, smoke detectors are really important these days. Smoke detectors can easily be triggered by smoke and everything else. I'll show you where all the smoke detectors are in the house. First off, there is one in this room. There is one near this light right here. And going into my stepbrother's room, there is also one right under the doorway and everything else. There is also one in this room, and it is right under the doorway. So that's 4 detectors. There is also one in this bedroom, and that one right there is good. There is also the downstairs ones. Now these, there is one right here. That makes 6 smoke detectors. And the 7th one, which is right there. But this one is under the desk and everything else. Yeah. So anyway, that's a total of 7 smoke detectors. I hope I didn't miss anything, because usually there would be an extra smoke detector, but I guess we just got 7 of them. So that would equal 7 batteries of these kind right here. But anyway, guys, hope that y'all learned a lot. If you have trouble with changing smoke detector batteries and everything else. But anyway, guys, everything is going good. So I got the batteries changed out. Now, if you didn't see yesterday's video, I was talking about Star Wars Battlefront cards. Now, later this evening, I will go ahead and tell you guys how you can unlock new star cards and everything else. But anyway, guys, I don't have too much right now to talk about, as I know I got a lot of things that I have to do, such as chores. You know, it's wash my sheets day today, and I gotta do a lot of housework because I am off until Saturday, and that is really good. Now, where do these batteries go after you change your smoke detector? Well, your smoke detector batteries should be placed where you can find them. You can either place them in a drawer, or you can place them somewhere where you can find them. But anyway, guys, that is a lot of everything that you guys need to know when changing a smoke detector battery. And it's making that loud, obnoxious beeping noise. But anyway, guys, that's how you change a smoke detector. Now, as you may know, I'm going to go ahead and take this chair back to the downstairs garage and everything else. And as you may know, guys, ouch, it is now 1:12 12 in the afternoon. So anyway, you're probably wondering what I did to my face. As you may know, guys, I got tired of hair on my face, and I've decided to have a clean cut shave and everything else. But anyway, guys, later this evening I will go ahead and talk more about locked up star cards that can be unlocked in the game. Now, there's a lot to it when you unlock star cards. The first thing what you need to do is you have to complete everything on the list, such as, for example, you're trying to get a new weapon, but it is locked, and it is locked up by Jabba the Hutt's contract. To get this new weapon, you need to have at least 30 kills from Dengar. So you're going to play Dengar, and you're going to use everything that you need in order to get 30 kills like Dengar. Once you get the 30 kills, the weapon will automatically unlock, and it is now available for your card. There is also a lot of new cards, such as the Deoxys grenade and everything else. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys later this evening some more about how to unlock cards. But anyway, I'll show you guys later this evening on how to unlock them and also having them in your collection. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Links in the description. Drop some likes on this video if you enjoyed it and you think it was helpful. 158 is later this evening, and like I said, it'll be based upon Star Wars star cards. So anyway, guys, be safe, make wise choices, and always remember to keep it rockin'.